Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix exit code 1 in Minecraft. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, is because your Minecraft is modded. So guys, in order for you to fix the issue, it's just simply delete the mods in your Minecraft folder. So just simply go to your Minecraft folder and just simply remove the mods that you have added into your Minecraft in order for you to fix the issue. So now, if the issue is still appearing, is for the second option is just simply update the Java of your Minecraft, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And now, if the problem is still appearing, the last option that you have is try reinstalling the Minecraft into your PC. So first uninstall the app, and once it is uninstalled, just simply install it back again into your PC, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.